Let's see how to do some basic color correction and a light wrap to make an element blend into a scene better. First, let's watch this movie. And overall, this dancer seems to blend in with that background just fine, even though she's composited on top. Let's look at the original. I'll create a new composition by dragging the Car Through Fog movie to the new composition icon, and then drag the dancer on top. And just so that we only preview for the length of the dancer, I'll press O to go to the out point of that layer, and then N to make the work area end there. And now let's do a preview here. Notice her colors don't blend in at all, and the edges of the mat are really sharp, and so she doesn't seem to fit. She seems to be sitting on top of the background as opposed to blending in with it. So let's start with the color correction first. The most obvious thing is that the dancer is more saturated than the background. So let's begin by bringing the saturation down a little bit. We use hue saturation. And bring the master saturation down quite a lot. Maybe about there. And she's also quite a lot brighter. So let's bring down the master lightness as well. There. This is a dark alley, so she's not going to be very well lit. That's a bit better. Okay, now let's preview this again. Well, the color and lighting's definitely closer. But notice, if we zoom in a little bit, the edges are really sharp. And there doesn't seem to be any interaction between the dancer and the background layer. It just goes sharply from background to dancer. Let's see what we can do to fix this. We'll use a light wrap. There are many ways to make a light wrap. I'll just show you one, and it uses layer styles. It's a very quick and dirty method. I'll press Ctrl D to duplicate the dancer layer. Then here on top, I'll apply a layer style, layer, layer styles, inner glow,